Hello and welcome to yet another WordPress tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional blog in about the shortest time possible. Here on your screen, I'm just trying to show you a sneak peek of the blog that we're going to create today. So stay tuned till the end because this is going to be so much fun and it's not going even to take up a lot of your time. So you can see that we have a very professional looking UI. And it's something that even your visitors are going to enjoy looking at. Let's have a look at what a single post would look like in this blog. And as you can see, it looks so amazing. It is jam-packed with features and it's something that you're really going to love. I will have links to everything that we need to create this blog in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we need to create any website is a domain name and a hosting package. And so I'm just going to go to my web hosting company, which is Truehost. There are so many different web hosting companies out there, and I will have links to some of my favorite options in the description box, so be sure to check that out too. You can choose the one that you like depending on how much money you have or even your location. So here we are. And the first thing we need to do is register a domain. So you just need to go to domains up here, and then when you click on that, you will see domain search. And that, if you click on domain search, you will be brought to this page. And I want to search a domain name here. If your domain name is taken, you will have to look for other names until you find one that is not taken. So I just want to find the domain name LittleTechDigital.com, because that is the name of our website. At our .com domain here at the end shows that your website is professional. You can have so many different choices, as you can see here. So I'm just going to search for LittleTechDigital.com and click on search. Luckily for me, the domain name is available, so I'm just going to click on add to cart here, and it's added to my cart. And then I will proceed to the checkout. This is going to be a normal purchase on any other website, so it's not going to be the same depending on the website that you're in, but it's the standard checkout process. So let's do that and then continue. So after you've paid for your domain name, the next thing that we are going to need is a hosting package. And to do that, we're just going to scroll up top here, click on pricing, and because we're going to create a WordPress blog, so we're going to select the first one here, WordPress. So once we're brought to this page, you will just choose a hosting package that is okay for you depending on your budget. And for us, we're going to take the silver hosting here, the Truehost Silver with Ask SSL, which will allow us to have free SSL installation, 30 gigabytes of disk space, 3 domains, unlimited bandwidth transfer, unlimited email accounts, and all these other features. As you can see, the Truehost WordPress hosting package offers 99.999% uptime. With all my use with Truehost, I've never experienced downtime. So we're just going to order this package and we're going to use it with a domain. Okay, so now after we have purchased our domain name and the web hosting package, the next thing we need to do is to install the WordPress website. So we're just going to click on our hosting package here. We will be redirected to this page, and we want to scroll down to the cPanel. So just click on cPanel. This will bring you to your control panel, and we just want to scroll down here to where you have Softaculous Apps Installer. And since we want to install a WordPress website, we're just going to click on WordPress. Then here we are. So we're just going to install now, and we want to install this at HTTPS, and we want to use our domain, which is LittleTechDigital. So you should leave this blank. So just make sure that is blank. If you click here and read here, you'll see why you should do that. So we're just going to name our website, which is LittleTechDigital, and the site description here, doing it right. So I'm just going to change the username that I want to have. Make sure you use a name that is personal and you change that. Don't leave it as admin, so make sure you change that. And once you change it here, you will not be able to change it again. So create a password, and then you can use the admin. You can enter an admin email. So mine is going to be techdigital.@gmail. So once that is done, another thing we want is that we want to install Loginizer. It is a plugin that will help protect your site against brute force attacks by limiting the number of login attempts for your WordPress installation. So once that is done, there's nothing else. Make sure that you have confirmed that all the details are perfect before you install your site. So just click on install. And just like that, you have created a new WordPress website. So you can see here, WordPress has been successfully installed at, and if we click on that, there's a small privacy issue here, but we're going to fix that by installing an SSL certificate. So for now, let's just proceed. We're going to install an SSL certificate at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned to that, and I'll show you how you do it. You can also go to the admin dashboard by clicking on this link. So just dismiss all this. It says welcome to WordPress. Dismiss all this, and don't worry about this not secure warning here. We're going to fix that at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned to see how you install an SSL certificate. Once we are here, the next thing we need to do is to install a theme, and we're just going to go to appearance and click on themes. And since we want to use a professional theme, remember I told you that we're going to use a theme called series. You can buy this theme from Theme Forest, and I'll have links to buy this theme in the description box. So just add to cart and purchase the theme. You're going to get a download file, download it and save it in your computer. I've already done that, so I'm just going to click on add new here, and on this page I just want to upload new theme. So I'm going to choose. I downloaded my theme and saved it in a folder called series theme in my desktop. So you'll get it as a zip file. All you need to do is extract and get this series package, and then we want to upload the series theme first. So click on open and then install now. So once the theme has been installed, we want to go back to the themes page because we want to install the child theme also. So just add new and upload, choose a file, and then since we have uploaded the main file, now we need to upload the series child. So open that and install. And this is the theme that we are going to activate. So just click on activate. And then once it is activated, now if you refresh our page, our home page here, you will see that the user interface has changed. But we want our theme to look more professional. We want it to look like this. As I told you, this is the theme, this is the blog that we are going to create. It is a professional looking blog. So to do this, we could do it manually, or I can show you a trick. All we need to do, first thing we need to do is, you can see here it says this theme requires the following plugins. So we're just going to click on begin installing plugins. Then we're just going to select all the plugins, and then here bulk actions, just click on install and apply. So our plugins have been installed. and we are here in our dashboard, and I'm just going to go to series where there's the series icon here and just click on welcome. Once I'm here, I want to install a demo because I want this to turn from this and look into something like this, and I'm going to do that with one click by using a demo. So I'm just going to click on install demos, and this is the demo I want, and we want to import the attachments also, so just import your demo, and that's it. The demo has been imported. Now if we refresh our home page, there you go. Even though some of the images did not load, you can see that the user interface has been imported. And now all that is left for us is to customize this just the way we want it. Edit all these categories, create a new menu, and I'm going to show you that in the next video.